Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Olymp trade. We click on settings, then in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about Olymp trade and you will enter in this window. Here you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about Olymp trade and you will enter. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.